after 50. These 8 anti-inflammatory foods may help support joint comfort naturally. For many people, getting older means dealing with aches and pains that weren't there before. The knees may feel stiff when getting out of bed. The hands may ache after simple household tasks. The hips may feel uncomfortable after sitting for too long. Even climbing stairs or taking a short walk may not feel as easy as it once did. Joint discomfort is incredibly common, especially after the age of 50. While occasional soreness can be a normal part of life, many people look for natural ways to support healthy joints and maintain an active lifestyle. One area that has attracted considerable scientific interest is inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury and infection. In the short term, it helps protect and heal tissues. However, long-term low-grade inflammation has become an important topic of research because scientists believe it may influence many aspects of healthy aging. Although no single food can cure arthritis or eliminate joint pain, nutrition experts agree that a balanced diet rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and nutrient-dense whole foods may help support the body's natural inflammatory response. Today, we'll explore 8 everyday foods that have attracted attention because of their unique nutrients and natural plant compounds. These foods are easy to find, simple to prepare, and may become valuable additions to a healthy lifestyle designed to support joint comfort and overall wellness as we age. Let's begin our countdown. Why joint health changes after 50? Joint health depends on many different factors working together. Our joints contain cartilage, connective tissues, ligaments, tendons, and lubricating fluids that help movement remain smooth and comfortable. As we age, these structures naturally experience wear and tear from years of everyday activities. Walking, lifting, working, exercising, even simple movements repeated thousands of times. At the same time, lifestyle factors such as body weight, physical activity, nutrition, sleep, and overall health may influence how our joints feel over time. Scientists also continue studying the role of inflammation and oxidative stress in healthy aging. This has encouraged researchers to investigate foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. Rather than relying on expensive supplements, many people are choosing to improve their diets by adding nutrient-rich whole foods. And our first food is a delicious fruit that's been enjoyed for centuries. Number 8. Cherries. Cherries are naturally rich in colorful plant compounds called anthocyanins. These antioxidants give cherries their deep red color and continue attracting scientific interest because of their potential role in supporting the body's natural inflammatory response. Cherries also provide vitamin C and other beneficial nutrients that contribute to overall wellness. Fresh cherries are an excellent choice when in season, while frozen cherries offer a convenient option throughout the year. A small serving as a snack or added to breakfast can be an easy way to enjoy their natural sweetness. But our next food is a staple of one of the healthiest eating patterns in the world. Number 7. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil has long been a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. Unlike highly refined oils, extra virgin olive oil contains natural plant compounds, including one called oleocanthal. Researchers continue studying oleocanthal because of its unique properties and its potential role in supporting the body's normal inflammatory processes. Olive oil also provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Drizzling extra virgin olive oil over vegetables, salads, or whole grains is a simple way to include it in everyday meals. And our next food brings another type of healthy fat to the table. Number 6. Walnuts. Our next food may be small, but it delivers an impressive nutritional package. Walnuts have often been called one of nature's healthiest nuts because they provide a combination of healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. One reason walnuts receive so much attention is their omega-3 fatty acid content. Unlike many other nuts, walnuts provide a plant-based omega-3 fat known as alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Scientists continue studying omega-3 fats because they play important roles in overall health and may help support the body's natural inflammatory response. Walnuts also contain vitamin E, magnesium, copper, and antioxidants that contribute to healthy eating patterns. Adding a small handful of walnuts to breakfast cereal, yogurt, salads, or simply enjoying them as a snack is an easy way to include them in your daily routine. Because walnuts are calorie-dense, moderate portions are usually recommended. But if you're looking for one of the world's most famous anti-inflammatory spices, our next food has been treasured for thousands of years. Number 5. Turmeric. Few spices have attracted as much scientific interest as turmeric. This bright golden spice has been used in traditional cooking and cultural practices for centuries and remains an important ingredient in many cuisines around the world. The compound that has made turmeric famous is called curcumin. Researchers continue studying curcumin because of its antioxidant properties and its potential role in supporting the body's normal inflammatory processes. While turmeric alone is not a cure for arthritis or joint diseases, many people enjoy including it in a balanced diet because of its unique nutritional profile. Turmeric can easily be added to soups, stews, rice dishes, vegetables, and smoothies. Many recipes combine turmeric with black pepper because black pepper contains a natural compound called piperine, which may improve the absorption of curcumin. A small amount of healthy fat, such as olive oil or avocado, may also help the body absorb fat-soluble plant compounds. Simple cooking habits like these can make everyday meals both flavorful and nutritious. But our next food offers a fresh, warming flavor that has been appreciated across many cultures for generations. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger is one of the oldest and most widely used spices in the world. Its distinctive taste and aroma have made it popular in cooking, herbal teas, and traditional recipes for centuries. Modern researchers have also become interested in ginger because it contains naturally occurring compounds called gingerols and shogales. These plant compounds continue being studied for their antioxidant properties and their role in supporting the body's normal inflammatory response. Fresh ginger can be grated into stir-fries, soups, salads, and marinades. It can also be sliced and steeped in hot water to make a simple ginger tea. Ground ginger provides another convenient option for baking and cooking. Many people enjoy combining ginger with lemon or honey for additional flavor. Beyond its unique taste, ginger adds variety to the diet and pairs well with many of the other foods on today's list. We've now reached our top 3. And the next food has become famous not only for heart health but also for its impressive nutritional value and its role in healthy aging diets around the world. Number 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, trout, and mackerel are among the richest natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Unlike plant-based omega-3 fats found in walnuts, fatty fish provide EPA and DHA, 2 forms of omega-3 that researchers have studied extensively. Health experts around the world often recommend including fish as part of a balanced eating pattern because of its nutritional benefits. Fatty fish also provide high-quality protein, vitamin D, selenium, and several important minerals. Protein plays an important role in maintaining muscles and supporting healthy aging, while vitamin D contributes to normal bone health. Grilled, baked, or steamed fish can become a delicious part of lunch or dinner without requiring complicated preparation. For people who do not eat fish, there are other nutritious foods that provide beneficial fats and antioxidants. And our next food is one of the most colorful examples. Number 2. Berries. Berries may be small, but they contain an impressive collection of nutrients. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are naturally rich in anthocyanins and other colorful antioxidants. These natural pigments give berries their beautiful colors while attracting scientific interest because of their antioxidant properties. Berries also provide vitamin C, fiber, and many beneficial plant compounds that fit well into healthy eating patterns. Fresh berries are wonderful when available, but frozen berries offer a nutritious and convenient alternative throughout the year. Adding berries to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or simply enjoying them as a snack is an easy way to increase fruit intake. Their natural sweetness also makes them a healthier alternative to many processed desserts. We've reached the final food on our countdown. And surprisingly, it's a creamy fruit that has become one of the most popular foods in healthy aging diets around the world. Number 1. Avocado. We've reached the number 1 food on our list. And the winner may surprise you. Avocado. Once considered an occasional luxury, avocados have become one of the most popular foods in healthy eating plans around the world. Nutrition experts appreciate avocados because they provide a unique combination of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and naturally occurring plant compounds. Unlike many fruits, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats are an important part of balanced eating patterns such as the Mediterranean diet, which continues to attract attention for its association with healthy aging. Avocados also provide vitamin E, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, folate, and dietary fiber. Another interesting feature of avocados is that their healthy fats may help the body absorb certain fat-soluble nutrients found in other foods. Pairing avocado with colorful vegetables such as tomatoes, carrots, or leafy greens can create nutritious and satisfying meals. The creamy texture of avocado makes it easy to enjoy in many ways. Sliced on whole grain toast, added to salads, blended into smoothies, mixed into sandwiches, or served as a simple side dish. Although avocados are rich in calories, moderate portions fit well into a balanced diet. Like every food on today's list, avocado is not a cure for arthritis or joint diseases. Instead, it offers valuable nutrients that may help support overall wellness and healthy eating habits as we age. Now that we've explored our 8 foods, let's look at a simple way to include them in everyday life. How to add these foods to your daily diet. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing they need a complicated meal plan to eat healthier. The truth is often much simpler. Start the morning with oatmeal topped with berries and a few walnuts. Use extra virgin olive oil on salads and vegetables instead of heavily processed dressings. Add fresh ginger or turmeric to soups, stews, or smoothies for extra flavor. Include fatty fish such as salmon or sardines a couple of times each week. Enjoy cherries as a snack when they're in season, or choose frozen cherries throughout the year. Slice avocado into sandwiches or salads for a creamy and nutritious addition. The goal isn't to eat every food every day. It's to include a variety of nutrient-rich foods regularly as part of a balanced eating pattern. Small changes are often easier to maintain than dramatic diets that become difficult to follow. Which food is the best? After seeing this list, you may be wondering which food offers the greatest benefit. The honest answer is that there probably isn't one perfect choice. Each food provides different nutrients and plant compounds. Cherries provide anthocyanins. Olive oil contains oleocanthal. Walnuts supply plant-based omega-3 fats. Turmeric offers curcumin. Ginger contains gingerols. Fatty fish provide EPA and DHA. Berries are packed with antioxidants. Avocados deliver healthy fats and fiber. Rather than choosing one superfood, nutrition experts often encourage eating a variety of wholesome foods because they work together naturally. A colorful, balanced diet usually provides far more nutritional variety than relying on one ingredient alone. An important reality check. Before we finish, it's important to separate healthy eating from unrealistic expectations. No single food can cure arthritis. No food can completely eliminate joint pain. And no diet can replace appropriate medical treatment when it's needed. Joint health depends on many factors working together, including age, genetics, body weight, physical activity, overall health, and nutrition. The encouraging news is that healthy eating patterns rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, nuts, seeds, fish, and whole foods provide valuable nutrients that support overall wellness. Thinking of these foods as part of a long-term healthy lifestyle creates realistic expectations and sustainable habits. So, could these 8 anti-inflammatory foods help support joint comfort naturally after the age of 50? Modern nutrition research suggests that they deserve a place in a healthy eating pattern because they provide a wide variety of antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds. Cherries bring colorful anthocyanins. Extra virgin olive oil contributes healthy fats and natural plant compounds. Walnuts provide valuable omega-3 fats. Turmeric and ginger add unique spices and antioxidants. Fatty fish offer important nutrients and protein. Berries deliver vitamins and antioxidants. and avocados provide healthy fats along with an impressive nutritional profile. Each food contributes something different. Together, they create a balanced approach to healthy eating that may support overall wellness and healthy aging. The secret isn't finding one miracle food. It's building simple habits that can last a lifetime. Choosing colorful fruits and vegetables. Adding healthy fats to meals. Including nutritious whole foods more often. And enjoying a variety of natural ingredients that have nourished people for generations. Sometimes the most powerful changes aren't dramatic at all. They're the small choices we make every day. And perhaps one of the simplest choices is adding a few more of these delicious foods to our plates. Because healthy joints aren't built overnight. They're supported by the habits we practice throughout our lives, one healthy meal at a time.